Welcome to day 4 of MindGarden's Intro to Meditation course. Sit comfortably, place your hands on your lap, and close your eyes. Take a deep breath in through your nose, and as you exhale, relax completely into it. Acceptance is to realize a fundamental truth of life, that whatever is happening in this moment is happening regardless of how we feel about it. Just think about the times you feel upset or sad, angry or disturbed, and look at what's really happening in those moments. We feel these things when life is not happening exactly as we think it should be. And peace comes from accepting what's happening and understanding that not every moment will be pleasant or easy. And it's important not to mistake acceptance with being passive. When we can accept the moment regardless of whether we like it or not, we can take our energy and use it towards creating the next moment however we'd like to. Although this moment may be unchangeable, the next moment holds endless possibilities. And these possibilities are yours to create. But it starts with accepting what's happening right now. So for this practice, keep your eyes closed. And with each inhale, say silently to yourself, I accept this moment. And with each exhale, say silently to yourself, I am at peace. But don't just say these words. Feel them sink deeper into your understanding with each breath you take. I accept this moment. I am at peace. In each moment, we have a choice. We can either spend our energy wishing things would be different, or we can accept what's happening and use that same energy to take whatever action is needed. With just a little practice, no matter what's happening in our life, we can come back to this truth and find peace. And this peace gives us clarity and energy to see whatever it is we need to do and do it. When we resist life, it's like we're swimming against the currents of a racing river, wasting so much energy, feeling exhausted and frustrated. But when we accept life, it's like we're calmly floating down that same stream, enjoying the beautiful view as we float on by. Bring this simple practice with you into the rest of your day, especially when it's hard to do. And do your best to accept each moment as if you've chosen it. As always, thank yourself for taking the time to care for your mind today. When you're ready, gently open your eyes. Great job today. I'll see you tomorrow.